Hello, I think this was really great, and I think you've done a wonderful job of tracing key features and then exaggerating from there. But okay, so the tape is perfect. I really like everything about it, but because the tape is so prominent, it's right next to this nose. It looks like, part of his nostril is missing, and the end of the nose part is a little sharp. So I don't think that'll be too hard for you to fix. Let's see, images. So he does have this very sort of boxy nose, and I'm sure you don't want to draw all that detail, so just indicate it. Let me see another. I hate this picture. Looking at him here. Um, Let me see what other people have done because it's eh. All right, so here's a good example of someone that didn't want to draw too much of his nose, but did a perfect likeness. So you just kind of make a U and then indicate a little bit of the nostril. That's all you need to do. So I would just take this and make a U in there, and then we're done. You might not even have to show the other nostril. Okay, nicely done. Bye-bye.